No type of bread can beat the taste of freshly baked and warm homemade bread, not only for the pleasure of its delicious and spongy taste, but also for the fact that it's much more natural and 100% homemade bread. Years ago, it was very complicated and painful to prepare bread at home, especially because of the effort and time it took to prepare from scratch. What's more, when you step into the oven, there's no guarantee that the results will be delicious. Today, we can make available amazing bread machines or electric bread makers, which make the preparation process practically automatic, but keeping the same characteristics of delicious homemade bread. Therefore, we present to you the top 5 best bread makers in 2024. Let's go! If you're looking to save money while still getting a quality product, the Amazon Basics bread making machine is a top recommendation for 2024. Ideal for kitchens with limited space, this compact bread maker has everything you need to bake homemade bread in a smaller, space-saving design. It features an LED display and various buttons to select programs based on the recipe you want to make. The easy-to-clean pan and compact dimensions make it perfect for small kitchen. This bread maker can handle a range of recipes, including basic bread, baguette, wholemeal, white, and gluten-free quick bread. You can also make pizza dough, different jams, and cakes. With a capacity of up to 900 grams, this machine can bake enough bread for the whole family, offering 3 crust settings: light, medium, or well done. User reviews highlight its ease of use, making it simple to create artisan bread that turns out great every time. The backlit LCD screen makes it easier to read, and the machine offers 6 adjustment knobs and 2 different bread weights. Its stainless steel design measures 29.7 by 14.2 by 29.2 centimeters and weighs just over 3 kilograms, making it easy to move in and out of storage. Menu options include gluten-free breads, artisan loaves, jams, sauces, cakes, and more. The removable mixing bowl simplifies cleaning, and the delay start function adds convenience. Even if you want to experiment with different bread shapes or buns, this bread maker can knead and rise the dough for you. Once that's done, you can shape it by hand and bake it in your oven. This versatility makes the Amazon Basics bread making machine a fantastic choice for any home baker. Good stuff, guys! If you want a product that gives you the best bang for your buck, the Cuisinart Compact Automatic Bread Maker is our top pick for 2024. This elegant machine is perfect for small kitchens due to its smaller footprint and lighter design. The CBK 110's 4-foot cord makes it easy to use and store, and it comes with a 3-year warranty, one of the best in the market. Delivering full-size loaves in a compact space, this bread maker features a vertical baking cavity with a non-stick pan that can bake up to 2-pound loaves. The lid has a viewing window and an internal light, so you can monitor your bread's progress without interrupting the baking process. Cuisinart has equipped this model with technology to ensure superior crust, color, and texture. The LED display clearly shows the countdown time, cycles, and your selected options. You have 12 pre-programmed, fully automatic menu settings to choose from, including loaf sizes 1, 1.5, or 2 pounds, and crust shades light, medium, or dark. A removable non-stick paddle stirs and kneads the dough, and helpful beeps notify you when to remove the paddle and when to add mix in. There's even a 10 beep signal to indicate when the baking cycle is complete. To keep your bread at optimal temperature, the warm cycle runs for up to 60 minutes after baking. The 13-hour delay start timer means you can set it up to have freshly baked bread ready when you wake up or come home. The bread maker also comes with a booklet of reliable recipes covering everything from gluten-free and artisan breads to jams and sauces. The Cuisinart Compact Automatic Bread Maker offers excellent value, combining convenience, technology, and quality in a compact design. Nice one! Introducing the Zojirushi Home Bakery Mini Bread Maker, the best compact bread maker of 2024. Fill your home with the delightful aroma of homemade bread and enjoy freshly baked goodies anytime with this compact and slim kitchen appliance. It takes up very little space on your countertop while offering a host of features. You can bake various types of bread and cakes or make dough and jam. With easy-to-follow video instructions and a recipe book, you'll quickly become a baking pro, impressing friends and family alike. This bread maker is perfect for small spaces. Occupying less than a foot of countertop, it can produce a kilo of bread in under 2 hours. Want fresh bread for breakfast? The 13-hour delay timer ensures you wake up or come home to freshly baked bread. It's ideal for singles, small families, or anyone with a small kitchen. Choose from the 3 bread textures: plain, firm, or soft. The Zojirushi Mini Bread Maker excels at developing gluten, and its dough cycle allows you to finish baking in your oven oven if desired. Make dough for pizza crust, dinner rolls, cinnamon rolls, buns, artisan bread, sourdough, or even brownies. The possibilities are endless. This versatile machine also makes fruit jam. The free quick start video makes learning easy and fun. The Zojirushi Home Bakery Mini Bread Maker features advanced pulleys and belts and control circuitry derived from award-winning models. Its design ensures superior mixing for well-baked bread with excellent texture. The internal dimensions of the pan are 4.5 inches by 4.5 inches with a depth of 5.7 inches, and the BPA-free pan lining ensures safety. Additionally, the 10-minute power cut memory prevents your bread from being ruined during a power outage. The Zojirushi Home Bakery Mini Bread Maker is your ticket to baking perfection in a compact size. Good stuff. A thumbs up from here. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. Now, if you're willing to spend a bit more, we recommend the Breville Custom Loaf Maker, our top premium bread maker for 2024. Breville, known for its high-quality home appliances, excels in the bread-making arena with this sleek stainless steel machine. It bakes perfectly even loaves and offers several unique features. Unlike most budget models that produce tall, cylindrical loaves, the Breville uses a standard horizontal pan, ideal for making sandwich-friendly slices. The sturdy non-stick baking tray easily clicks into place inside the machine, and the control wheel is user-friendly and intuitive. A viewing window and internal light let you monitor your dough as it rises and bakes. One standout feature is the collapsible mixer blade, which folds flat after mixing so it doesn't bake into the bread. There's also an automated dispenser for mix-ins like raisins, nuts, or seeds. High-end models like the Breville start with a preheating stage to bring ingredients to the optimal temperature for yeast activation. The Breville settings such as crunchy loaf bread, whole wheat bread, and gluten-free bread are easily adjustable on the LCD screen. You can also choose different loaf sizes and darkness levels. For the adventurous baker, the Breville is programmable with up to 9 custom presets for specific recipes or condition. Additionally, the Breville is lighter than comparable models like the Cuisinart and Zojirushi, making it easier to move around your kitchen or store away. With its combination of advanced features and user-friendly design, the Breville Custom Loaf Maker stands out as a top choice for anyone serious about their bread making. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. Finally, let's talk about the Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Bread Maker, which takes our gold medal for best overall bread maker in 2024. Zojirushi is renowned for its high-quality kitchen products, and the Virtuoso Plus Bread Maker lives up to that reputation. This powerful machine delivers exceptional results even with non-traditional recipes. Adventurous bakers will appreciate the customizable settings, while those sticking to classic recipes will love its standard-shaped loaves, perfect for sandwiches. Zojirushi recommends adding ingredients in a specific order: liquids first, yeast last. Following this, the bread consistently comes out with great texture and appearance. Measuring 10.5 by 18 by 12.88 inches and weighing 24 pounds, this bread maker is quite large. However, its size allows it to produce long rectangular loaves. A unique feature is that the kneading process pauses when you lift the lid, letting you adjust or check the dough without worrying about the paddle spinning. The double heater design ensures a faster baking process and creates a crispy golden crust. It also has 2 automatic mixers to evenly incorporate all the ingredients. Though larger and heavier than some other models, its ability to make delicious bread and its superior design make it stand out. The Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus is ideal for those who want to take their bread making to a professional level. Whether you're baking for yourself or planning to sell your creations, this bread maker is one of the best options available. Its combination of advanced features and reliable performance make it a top choice for serious bakers. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.